Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And on the video today I'm going to be showing you how you can travel from Malaga Airport to Malaga city center using the bus or the train. Recently I made a couple of videos about how you can travel from this same airport using the bus to Marbella, Estepona and Algeciras, and also the train to Torremolinos, Benalmádena and Fuengirola. Just in case you'd like to check them out, the links are pinned in the comment section. Kindly subscribe if it's your first time on my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave your honest opinion in the comment section. Thank you. First I'm going to show you how to use the bus, then I'll show you how to use the train, so let's go straight into it. Walking out of the airport through the arrivals hall, just walk straight down the road, and by the roadside you see few bus stops. Look for the one with the sign Hey, and that's where you wait for the bus going to Malaga Center. It doesn't take long to arrive, maybe 5 to 15 minutes. And arriving is the bus you're taking to Malaga City Center. On the screen, it is written Aeropuerto, which means the airport, and it costs less than €3. Good thing about this bus is it passes through some neighborhoods before its final stop. The bad thing is it takes more time than the train. So that's how you get on the bus from the airport to the city center. Easy and cheap. Please watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you the final destination of the bus at Malaga city center. Now let's get on the train. Coming from the same direction from the arrivals hall, walking down straight to the roadside, then you see a zebra crossing just in front of you. Cross it over to the other side, then you see a parking lot. Right behind the parking lot is the airport train station. As you can see right now in this video, everybody's going to the train station. It is very easy to locate. There are some signs that are going to show you how to arrive at the train station. Just walk with the people because most people use the train because it's fast and efficient. I think in less than 7 to 8 minutes you arrive at Malaga Center, so it's very easy. But mind you, you also have option of using the meter taxi or Uber or Bolt. But personally I prefer to use the train because it's very fast and efficient. I mean, with less than €4 and 7 minutes you're in Malaga city center. Using the train station is very easy. On the walls you can find all the information that you need about the train schedule, the maps and everything. Now going to the machines, there are a lot of languages. You can select the one that you speak, do the operation. You can also pay with cash and card, get your train card, tag in and just go. But at the same time, using these machines can be difficult. Maybe you are tired from your journey and you're finding it difficult to navigate through these machines. Just look around, you're going to find an office. Walk straight into it and ask for help, and they'll be willing to give you all the help that you need using the station. You can also use your bank card to get access into the platform. Just place your MasterCard or your Visa card on the gate and it opens, and there you go. This can save you a whole lot of stress and hassle. Using this station, like I said earlier, is very easy. It has just 2 platforms, the one going to Malaga Center and the other one going to Torremolinos, Benalmádena and Fuengirola. So you can never get confused or get lost at the station. So if you're going to Malaga Center, you go to your left, and if you're going to Fuengirola, you go to your right. Descend to the platform with the escalator while you wait for the train. The train takes less than 20 minutes or so, it depends on the time the previous one left. Malaga Center is just 3 stations away from the airport. But mind you, Malaga Center has 2 stations. The first station is Malaga Maria Zambrano. This is the central station of the whole of Malaga. From this station you can get a train to Madrid, Barcelona, Sevilla and the rest.
Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, love until my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my head. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good
Alameda Central is the next and the last station on this line. It is close to Malaga historical centers like Alcazaba, Caillarios, the Moyehuno, and so on. Using the bus and the train from the airport, you're going to arrive at almost the same destination. Right after dropping people off at the bus station just behind the Malaga Maria Zambrano train station, the bus also stretches into Malaga Historical Center just like the train. So the bus have more stations and is cheaper than the train, while the train is faster and more efficient. This is going to be the end of my video for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. And if you also find any useful information on this video, please give it a like. You can also leave your opinion in the comment section and stick around for more better videos. See you on the next one. Have a good day.